Hello students, we are going to discuss about Unit 4 Energy Balance. What is energy? Energy is the capacity or ability of a body to do work. That is energy. Energy exists in many forms. Energy can be moved from one object to another. Energy can be changed from one form to another. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. Forms of energy. Forms of energy classified into two types. One is forms of energy related to the system. Another one, forms of energy associated with the process. First one, forms of energy related to the system. Example, kinetic energy, potential energy, flow energy, pressure energy, internal energy, surface energy and magnetic energy. So these are the energies or forms of energy related to the system. Second one, forms of energy associated with the process. So the example, heat and work. Okay. The first we are going to discuss forms of energy related to the system. So here kinetic and potential energy. So the what is kinetic energy? It is the energy which a substance or body possesses by virtue of its motion relative to some reference plane. That is kinetic energy. What is potential energy? It is the energy that a substance possesses by virtue of its position in relation to some datum plane. That is potential energy. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here kinetic energy classified into three types. One is mechanical, thermal and sound energy. So this is classified into electrical and radiant energy. This is kinetic energy. So then potential energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy. Chemical energy is nothing but gravitational, or nuclear energy is elastic. So these are the forms of energy or types of energy. So sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of a body is called the mechanical energy of the body. Are you clear or not? Okay. So one more additional information here. Flow energy or pressure energy. It is the energy which a substance possesses by virtue of the space it occupies. It is the product of pressure and volume and is associated with the flowing stream under pressure. So this is the flow energy or pressure energy. One more energy is important here, internal energy. It is the energy which a substance possesses by virtue of the relative position and motion of its molecule. Are you clear? Okay, these are the forms of energy or types of energy. Second, types of energy. Forms of energy associated with the process. Example, heat and work. The first one, heat. What is heat? Heat is energy transfer between substances or systems due to a temperature difference between them. As a form of energy, heat is conserved, that means it cannot be created or destroyed. Are you clear? Okay. So this is heat. It can, however, be transferred from one place to another. Heat can also be converted to and from other form of energy. So this is the heat. Example of heat. First example, steam turbine. So steam turbine can convert heat energy to kinetic energy to run a generator that convert kinetic energy into electrical energy. So second example, light bulb can convert this electrical energy to electromagnetic radiation. When absorbed by a surface, is converted back into heat. By convection, heat is given to a body is taken as positive. So while that taken out of the body is taken as negative. These are the examples of heat. Work. So this is the another form of energy associated with the process. What is work? In a process, the work done by the system or work on the system depends not only on the initial and final state of the system, but also depends on the path adapted for the process. Work is done when a force is acting on a system, displaces the body in its own direction. Work W done on or by a system is the product of force and displacement. So this is the work. Work example. A man pushing a car may feel that he is doing a lot of work, but no work is actually done unless the car moves. Work done is the product of the force applied by the man multiplied by the distance through which the car moves. Are it clear? Okay, force into displacement. So there is no friction and the surface is level, then the car once set in motion will continue rolling indefinitely with a constant speed. Rolling car has a kinetic energy of motion equal to the work required to achieve that state of motion. So this is the example of work. Law of conservation of energy. Basis of energy balance of a particular process is the law of conservation of energy. State law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy state that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, although it may be transformed from one form to another. If you take all forms of energy into account, the total energy of an isolated system always remain constant. All the form of energy follow the law of conservation of energy. So this law is also called the first law of thermodynamics. Are you clear? Okay. Example of law of conservation of energy. First example, torch. The chemical energy of the battery is converted into electrical energy, which is converted into light and heat energy. Second example, loudspeaker. Electrical energy is converted into sound energy. Third example, microphone. Sound energy is converted into electrical energy. Fourth example, generator. Mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Fifth example, when fuels are burned, chemical energy is converted into heat and light energy. Last example, chemical energy from food is converted to thermal energy when it is broken down in the body and is used to keep it warm. Thank you for your attention.